Everybody, in today's video I was going to show you my latest purchase. These are the TOZO over-the-ear high-resolution noise canceling headphones. As with all my videos, I like doing these in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, its quality like, etc. It comes with two different instruction manuals. You've got a quick guide, you've got a user manual. You don't really need either of them. These are super easy to use. I also want to mention that the box comes sealed in plastic. I went ahead and opened it, and they're nicely packaged. They're basically wrapped inside of foam when you pull them out. I've actually used this company's earbuds before for when I work out, and they are awesome. So I got these for when I'm watching TV to connect to my Bluetooth TV because they're nice and over-the-ear headphones. Stretch pretty wide, so if you've got a wide head, they're going to fit just fine. They have this nice foam outer sides, nice and comfortable. And then the insides are nicely labeled. You've got your R, you've got your L, so you know which ear to put them on. What's cool about them is that they fold up, so if you're looking to use them at school or throw them in a backpack or something like that, nothing to it. And then once they're open, you've basically got your power button. You've got your Type-C input for your charging cable. They do give you a charging cable for the headphones, and the charging cable is rather long. You also have a 3.5 millimeter input. Not sure how well you'll see that. In the event the battery dies, or if you wanted to use them plugged in, you can use them plugged in. If you use them plugged in, your battery life is infinite. If you're using them unplugged, just on the rechargeable battery, you've got about 60 hours of battery life. Let me tell you, the sound quality is excellent. Unfortunately, I can't show you that in a video, but just wanted to give you a quick look at what these headphones look like. It's hard to find good size over-the-ear headphones. A lot of times you'll get the ones that are smaller that kind of sit on your ear. These are nice and large, will definitely fit over your ear. So I hope the video helped. That's a look at them should you decide to order them. Thanks for watching.